Jose Zuniga, also known as Teaching Men's Fashion, very popular in these YouTube streets and also very polarizing. You either love him or you hate him. I've met him a couple times at the Menfluential Conference. I met him, his brother, his sister. Seems like a really nice guy. And for me, I can't hate on him. I remember when he first started out, he had this like cloudy camera phone quality videos to what he's doing now. So I gotta appreciate that process. I gotta give him props for that. Well, along the way, he has developed a couple businesses, one of which is a clothing brand called ESNTLS. Now, I'm looking at him, and he looks like a fit guy. He's developed himself physically, and when I saw that he has a clothing brand, I'm like, all right, he's gonna address issues that us fit men go through. He's your typical ectomorph. He's like tall, skinny, muscular guy. So he any clothes that he puts out on that brand sell out really quick. So I was very lucky to grab my hands on a pair of Chinos that he released a couple weeks ago. So here they are. I have some thoughts. I have some thoughts that I would like to share with you guys. But first, let me show you how these chinos fit. All right, guys, so here's an initial look of the pants, how they fit me. I'm gonna go into a little bit more detail later on in the video about how it actually fits me, but here's just an initial look. Now, the waist on the pants, according to their website, isn't your traditional waist, like 30, 32, 34, 36. No, for them, it's a small, medium, large, extra large. I took a leap of faith and I went with an extra large. Also, on the website, there's no length for the inseam. So the pants came very, very long. And if you look right there at the bottom, especially on the side-by-side clip, you will see a lot of bagginess at the bottom. So I'm definitely gonna have to take these to the tailor and have them hemmed up, and hopefully I can get it back just in time to finish up this video. All right, guys, I got the pants back from the tailor fairly quickly. I mean, hemming pants shouldn't take that long. It's a quick, easy job. It's probably something that I can learn how to do, but I just haven't put the time into it. But hey, that's a video for another day. Now, before I wear these pants again, I first want to bring your attention to the color. I picked a white pair of pants, and the one that the models had on their website looked like Snow White, like pure white. But when I took this out of the package, it looked a little bit darker, like a darker white, if that makes sense, like an eggshell white. But it is still white. You know, if I compare it to my Luxaria pants that I got, which is cream, yeah, it's clearly white. It's just that it wasn't the white that I was expecting. I was expecting like pure white. But that's neither here nor there. Let's wear these pants and let me tell you how they fit. All right, so let's start with the waist. Now, according to their website, you know, like I said, it doesn't have your traditional waist sizes. So I was really shooting in the dark going for an extra large. But I looked at how Jose dresses, and I'm sure he created this brand for himself, like the way he likes to dress. And just looking at how he dresses, he does have a slim fit, slim cut kind of style. So I'm like, all right, let me just go up a size just to be on the safe side. You know, instead of going with a large, I went with an extra large. And thankfully, that fits me. I will also credit that to the waist being 97% cotton and 3% spandex. So it does give me a little stretch as well. There's side adjusters here on the side, so that's nice. I like that. There's this little belt thing here that goes through a loop. You can detach it and attach it, and it just adds to the streamlined look of the waist. And these are not high-rise pants. You know, they don't sit near my belly button. And as I'm wearing it right now, I can just tell you they sit on the hip. So you're looking at mid-rise pants. Now, here is where I was a little bit nervous. I was wondering, how is this gonna fit my thighs? It is a 97% cotton, 3% spandex. And as I'm standing here talking to you, I can just tell you it wraps around my thighs. But it's not snug. It's not uncomfortable snug. It's not tight. If it was 100% cotton, then it would have been an issue. But that spandex, it does help. It helps stretch the pants. So I can say it's not uncomfortable, but it's not all the way comfortable either. it's bearable, if I could put it that way. It can stretch, it feels comfortable when I stand, it feels comfortable when I sit. And as I mentioned in past videos, when you sit, your thighs expand. So the spandex in the pants, they help with that. So yeah, I would say I'm about 85% comfortable right now on the thighs. Now you see the pockets here on the side, and that is my major beef with these pants. The pockets are not only wide enough, they're not deep enough. So if you have large hands, and I don't even think I have that large of a hand, you can barely fit your hand in there. So I don't know if he can fix that on this next line of chinos, but yeah, man, Jose, the pockets aren't deep enough and they're not wide enough. And if you look on the left side, there's this one pocket here by the knee. Coming down to the rest of the pants, I told you, Jose likes his clothes slim fitted, tapered, and you can clearly see that in the leg. It's nicely tapered down, and I like that. I appreciate that. There's no bagginess there, and my tailor did a really good job hemming the pants because it hits the top of the shoe really nice. And taking a look at the seat of the pants, I don't feel it being tight or anything. When I sit down, it feels very comfortable, and there's only one back pocket right there on the right side. All right, guys, so here's a zoomed out look of the pants, and I'm surprised to say that it does fit me, even though it has a slim fit feel to it. And it makes sense that it feels the way it does, knowing that I went up a size. I would give it a B plus grade. I think there are things that he could tweak about it. And of course, with him being a young entrepreneur, I'm sure he's going to do things to make his products better. One thing he can do a better job at is at least letting the consumer know, the size waist that they're going to get. I feel doing a S, M, L, XL, that doesn't really give the buyer much information on what size waist they should get. So if you can just tweak that a bit, that'll be great. And of course, I already told you, the pants pockets annoy me. Oh my goodness, Jose, what were you doing with these pockets? They are not big, they are not deep at all, and they just irk me. So those are the two things that I have issues with. The color, I guess it's just the lighting in my house. I'm gonna take it outside, see how it looks outside. I'm sure it looks just like it does on the website. But yeah, I will say I like these pants. I would recommend it, definitely. Would I get another pair? Possibly in a different color. I think white is a really great color for the summertime. All right, so final thoughts about these chinos. I like them. I was surprised that they fit me the way they did because, Jose, he's a tall, wouldn't say skinny, but he has a more slimmer frame, very more muscular. So he's your typical ectomorph. I'm sure when he created this clothing brand, he wanted to make clothes that fit him well. So just keep that in mind if you have some girth to you that, you may have to go up a size or two. Price, you're looking at $60, which is not bad. I thought it would be a little bit more than that, but that's fairly cheap. There's this payment plan that you can do on their website. What else? I like it. It is white. And I did wear the pants outside, and it did look like how it did on the website. And I wore the pants all day today, and it didn't feel uncomfortable. So it was nice around the thighs, nice on the seat, and I love it how it's tapered down the leg. So I would definitely recommend it, but I believe as of right now, it's sold out on their website, like everything else is on their website. So if you're interested in buying their chinos, you can save this review for the next round of chinos that they sell. Yeah, that's it. Let me know if you've tried any other products from ESNTLS. How did you like it? Did you not like it? I would love to hear your thoughts down in the comments below. What do you think about the pants that I got? Did they fit me well? Did they look like they fit me well? Just let me know your thoughts down in the comments. I will see you guys in the next video, and until then, stay fly, stay fit.